We were treated like a COVID prisoner.
You see it? Yeah.
Oh, that slug.
Yeah, slug. Yeah, it's a slug.
It's all destroying in here. Oh, it's just so disgusting.
If somebody wants an experience to go into prison, then they can come in quarantine. So such a confined room, the windows never even opened. I had one official come in knocking on my door and giving me timings for my breaks. And they made us stay in fear.
The quality of the food was just, well, it was appalling. Half cooked, half not cooked. There were days that I just couldn't eat it.
लेकिन मैं समझा कि उधर हलाल खाना है, क्योंकि मैंने पूछा अपने फ्रेंड से, बोलते हैं कुछ लोग आए हैं वो खाना हलाल मिलता है, वेजिटेरियन भी मिल जाता है। लेकिन मैं ट्रस्ट करके आ गया, लेकिन जब मैं आया तो मुझे एक्सपीरियंस कि नहीं, वो खाना हलाल नहीं है। लोगों को पता ही नहीं है कि खाना हलाल है या हराम है। वो तो आपको जो देते हैं वही है, आप तो अपनी चॉइस से बोल भी नहीं सकते, वो बोलेंगे भी तो मिलेगा नहीं।
Someone who's experienced both these hotels, the hotels back home in Mumbai and the UK. So it's literally, 4 times the amount per day. The food, the services, everything. I think Mumbai was honestly a better.
जब मैं बाहर जाती थी वॉक के लिए, वो भी इन्हें कॉल करके कहना पड़ता है और 20 मिनट से ज़्यादा आप नहीं जा सकते हैं, और उसके लिए भी लॉन्ग वेटिंग लिस्ट थी। यानी कि जब तक आप जाओगे तब तक आप ऑलरेडी आपकी एनर्जी ड्रेन आपको फील होना शुरू हो जाएगी वेट कर करके। अक्सर वॉक के दौरान ऐसा हो जाता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा लोग इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं डिफरेंट इलाकों से, डिफरेंट जगहों से, या डिफरेंट जो आए होते हैं, लाइक कोई 2 दिन पहले आए या 2 दिन बाद, तो इकट्ठे हो जाएंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा रश हो जाएगा। और मुझे अपने हस्बैंड को कहना पड़ता है कि मेरा हाल है कि हमें यहाँ से चलना चाहिए बिकॉज नॉट सेफ फॉर अस।
Definitely not worth the 5,450. First of all, we asked for a family room, which we didn't get. I put down on the form that my son is allergic to broad bean. For the 2 nights we were separated from each other, they were in a separate room. He asked the security guards, could you call my mum? And they were saying to him, you're not allowed out. And obviously I wasn't allowed out, but he said, Mum, there's broad beans in the food, but I've already ate it. Phoned the hotel, the reception. And he's like, no, he's fine, he's okay, but nobody's come and have a look.
Absolutely convinced that it had something to do with the cleanliness of the room and the air conditioning unit. And when one of the guards took me out on one of the days, he admitted to me that I was not the only case in the hotel. So I had 3 guards in front of me and I had 1 guard behind me spraying with a spray gun the very carpet I walked on that has not been hoovered. Now that's what made me feel like a leper.